Hello guys, today I will show you how you can reapply for monetization. Suppose one day you get up from sleep and you watch that your channel is no longer eligible for monetize. Then attention comes to your mind what to do. So now I'm going to show you how you can reapply for monetization. Firstly, you have to watch why your channel is no longer eligible for monetization. So if is it for reused content, then firstly delete your reused content and you can reapply within 30 days. So after 30 days there you can see an option called application reapply on that day. So today is 21st of November, so I can reapply. So here is the option reapply. Now I'm going to reapply it, so I'm clicking on reapply. Now let's see, there is an option called your application is under review. We will review your channel and email you with a decision typically within a month. So monetization reapplication has begun. So let's just wait a month.